Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing my painted desert nail tips that were applied over Koko and Clair's peel off base coat. So this is my manicure and one popped off, so I knew it was time. And I've got me a bowl of warm water here and I'm going to soak this in warm water for about 10 minutes. Maybe 5, I don't know. 5 or 10 minutes, I can't remember. I think it was 5. And then I'm going to go in with my little cuticle tool and just see if I can, oh, that one popped off real easy. No damage, none. See, get it in the sun, there we go. And then I'm going to go around them, and any of them that are ready to go are going to go, but the rest of them I'm just kind of loosening up the sides a little bit. Going to loosen them up just a tad. And remember, these aren't just gel polish. The base peel-off base coat was meant for gel polish. But I figured it'll work on this. And guess what? I was right. So here we go. Back into the warm water. And after a few more minutes, I think I did it 5 minutes and then 5 minutes. And I'm going up under very carefully. Oh, and bam. There it is. No damage. Loving this stuff. Big fat thumbs up from me. I am really stoked that that worked so well. I wore these for about a week, 5 days, a week, I can't remember. So, super happy. They stayed on through everything and then came off real easy. All right. Here is a photo of my nails with no damage. There you have it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time. Be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.